This is a Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. To start, you will need to obviously launch the calendar app. Then select the date you would like to set your event on. Once it is selected, tap at this plus icon over here and fill out all the event details such as its title, location, time frames, repetitiveness or reoccurrence if this and reoccurring event. You can also set up your reminding preferences so you will be extra sure you will not forget about this event. You can mark it as very important and write a brief description to this event if necessary. Then hit this checkmark icon over here, and as you can see, the event gets successfully saved already. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.